wrap spin-offs. A transition from handle grip to fiber grip I stumbled upon the other day and I like it very much. So far it has a little surprise effect, I think. What are you doing? Start again with the handle here on the sofa side. So you get your whip by the handle and you start spinning just on the horizontal plane above you, kind of a lasso spin, and then you let the fibers wrap around your neck and catch the fibers with the other hand. So far, you just spin around your neck and catch. And then the handle end has to be shorter than the fiber end because the handle has to pass through this negative space between the fibers and your arm. And when you're here, you just give the handle a little push to the front and you can spin off. You end up in a quite long grip here, so when you usually start spinning something, your whip will probably have more or less arm length, but here you end up in a longer grip. So from there you either go into a move where you immediately cut in with the other hand to shorten your whip, or you use another move where you can use this extra length. That was one side. The other hand, of course. Once again, you start here, spin your whip above your head. You spin inwards, by the way. So from the front coming towards you. So spin around like this. Let the fibers wrap, catch by the other hand. Then make sure the handle end is shorter than the fiber end, so that the handle can pass through, otherwise you get stuck here with your hand. And then you give the handle a little push, and then you can spin here and either go into something to shorten your whip, or you do something where you can use this extra length. So much for this. Play with it and have fun.